Hey! Hey, Dada! Stop! 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 Mommy! Hey, Dada! Hey, stop, Dada!
Mommy! 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 Mommy!
It's alright.
Mommy!
It's alright.
Mommy! Mommy!
It's alright.
Mommy!
What have I done to deserve this? Tell me, where did I go wrong? Was I blind? Or is it a crime for loving you? No matter how I try, your quest for more remains the same. Like a desert that's never water. Don't go, HIPIK. She will reject you. Woman's word is like a curse when its pocket is empty. Mr. HIPIK, 'cause that's the way she wanted to be. She's been waiting for so long for this opportunity. Don't go, HIPIK. She will reject you. A man's world is like a curse when his pocket is empty. Mr. HIPIK, 'cause that's the way she wanted to be. She's been waiting for so long for this opportunity. Your relations neglect you. Friends are close, forsake you. Troubles all around you, and you can tell you're not from your.
Darling, you're welcome.
Thank you.
So how did it go?
You see, the police said nobody has come to claim you yet.
Hey! So after all the announcements on radios and televisions, not even the police can trace his people. No, look, I'm no longer comfortable with his stay here.
He's just a small boy. Huh? If you send him out, where is he going? Huh?
Mommy, I like him.
Ah, see? You like him because you want to play with him, eh?
Yes.
Let's keep him until somebody comes to claim him.
It's alright.
Are you okay? So be cheerful, eh?
Seth, are you hungry? You want to eat? What about you, Robert?
Yes, Mommy.
Okay, come, let me go. Prepare something for you.
Alright, go and eat. And be comfortable, eh?
You can't imagine what I saw in the market today.
What was it?
JP's daughter, Ruby.
Yeah, that girl.
She stole a fish in the market. Upon all her riches. I don't even know what has come over us in this world of today.
Yo, with this economy. Oh, brother, you are set now.
Yes, we're almost there.
When I catch. How are you?
I'm fine, Uncle Richie.
And the baby?
The baby is also fine.
Cool, you're flipping. And don't forget, it's a she, not a he. Whether he likes it or not.
Sister Mel, please, I want a boy.
It's a girl.
You don't know how I'm praying. It's a she.
1 minute.
mean it is wrong for parents to choose career for children?
Yes. Parents should guard the children, not choose their careers for them. They have their own dreams.
You have a point, but I don't totally agree with you. My father chose my career for me, and that has made me what I am now. A successful businessman. That's why you like me.
That was those days. If you doubt it, I'll bring the children. They will tell you what they want.
Me, I know when they come here, Seth will tell you he'll be a doctor and Robert an engineer. If you like what them.
Now hold on.
Okay.
Seth! Robert! Children, come.
Oh, sit down.
Now Seth, tell me, what will you like to be when you grow up?
I want to be like Michael Jackson.
I told you. What about you?
Ma, I want to be like Abed Pele.
All right, and let them go.
See what I mean?
Yeah.
Their dreams are quite different from yours.
Yes, Alaji. Yes, but I'm not satisfied with the money. I was expecting $1.2 million. Only $1 million reflected in my accounts. Oh, okay. You pay for the goods. All right. Okay. I can come on Friday, but my brother will come and clear the good. Yes. Okay. Thank you.
Was that Alaji Danta?
Yes.
See.
Are you ready?
Yes, I am. But Richie, there's something I'd like to tell you. James should not be seen as a man. Let's find him some money so that he can start on his own.
Well, I think you're right. James has been with us ever since our parents died. That is 13 years ago. But as you said, well, I'll find him some money and also buy him a bus so that at least he can start his own business.
That would be really nice. Yeah, that's good of you.
But you know what? Yeah. You're looking so beautiful.
Well, if my sweet...
Vida, tomorrow is Joe's birthday. Yes. And I wonder if you have time to take me to the boutique tomorrow. There's a suit I want to buy for him.
Martha and Joe. Martha, you are still thinking about Joe when your house is on fire?
My house on fire? What do you mean?
It's a dream I had about your husband and that boy Seth you have in your house here.
I hope it's not serious. What happened to them?
In the dream, your husband willed all his property to Seth. He did not give Robert, your own son, anything. Not a pin.
Vida, is that the serious issue?
Martha!
Look, that boy is still a schoolboy. And I'm sure Joe hasn't started thinking about his will. So forget it.
Martha, you know my dreams always come true.
So as I'm saying, you must make sure that when I go to the sickness, you go to a guy and take care of all the shops there. Because I don't trust those guys. My dear, you like talking to me. James, we think that it's high time you started your own business. So, this key is for this car, and this key is for you.
Take it now.
Take it.
Oh my God.
Oh,
Thank you, brother.
don't never leave me.
My goodness.
Our love will last for eternity.
Don't hurt the child.
I will always love
Come on.
to the end
Thank you. God bless you.
through the storm.
Go in and
Hold you closer to me
wait now.
whenever you need me. Just calling out
Happy
every
day.
day. loving each other.
Come on, let it be there, let it be there.
There's never been.
Hey, please sit down. Now, don't hurt my baby for me, oh, please.
Oh, God.
Your brother is such a nice man.
Look, Brother Richie has been there for me since the death of our parents.
Darling, you're welcome.
Thank you.
Ooh, how was your day?
Fine. Oh, I love you.
Love you too. Welcome.
Thank you.
Daddy, what did you buy for us?
Plenty.
As usual.
Yeah. Bob, take this.
Mom, Daddy, I bought some watches for us.
Ah, what a beautiful watch.
And you.
Yes, ma.
Now you children, you can go in.
I have to talk to you. Yes, what is it?
Why did you give a better watch to Seth?
Who told you his was better?
Of course it is.
Why do you reason like that? Eh? I bought 2 watches for the kids, and that's all. Women and their problems.
Now I know. Vida's dreams are true. He gives all his attentions to Seth instead of my son. I have to be firm.
I've got you now. Oga, this one is a mistake. I've got you. Tell one. I told you that you don't know how to play. Robert, what have you done?
Seth! Why did you hit him? Eh? What have you done to me? Eh? Why are you hitting him like that?
Robert! Seth, what happened? Martha, what did you do to him?
I didn't do anything.
Haven't I warned you never to punish any of the children with your hands?
So I no longer have the right to punish the children when they misbehave.
No, I said don't use your hands on them.
I see. Anytime I touch Seth, I touch your heart. It's alright. Don't mind them, let's go.
Thank you. You look so tired.
Yeah,
you look so tired.
the sun is so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Sit down. Oh, very soon you come out of this. It's okay. Oh, should I give you some more?
It's okay.
It's alright.
Excuse me. You must be waiting at this time of the day. I'll get back to you because I can hear a million voice there. Thanks. Mother, what's happening? What's happening? What's happening? Oh, no. Let me come to the hospital. Take it easy. Take your time. Just take your time. Take it easy. Take it easy. That's how it is, Mama. Take it easy. Sorry. Everything will be okay. Your time. And don't rub your hands on your stomach. Take it easy. Take it easy. I know how you feel. I know how you feel.
Martha, can I have a glass of water? These people. Let's see. Good. Oh, thank you.
Joe, I want to ask you a question, and I don't want you to be angry with me.
What is it?
Why is it that anytime I punish these children, you get angry with me?
Oh, Martha, I'm not against you punishing the children, but the way you do it.
How do I do it? How? Your countenance changes anytime I reprimand that boy Seth. I believe you love him more than you love our own son.
Oh, Martha.
How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you.
How's the baby?
She's okay.
Everything will be alright, okay?
Thank you very much.
Nurse Becky,
Yes, doctor.
I thought this lady has been here for a week now. What is wrong?
I'm not sure. Let me check your file.
Prepare this patient for the theater immediately. She's losing the struggle, okay?
Yes, doc.
Young woman, why do you want to put us in trouble? Why don't you want to go home?
This one is 6,000, 4,000, 3,000.
Let me see the one.
It's 2,500.
How can I buy this?
Madam, how much is the yam?
3,000.
3,000. Won't you accept 2,000?
No.
Okay.
How much is it?
This one is 7,000.
Let me pay you 1,500.
It's 2,500. What is the matter?
I can't find my money.
I'm sorry. I can't sell my goods to you for free.
Oh my God. I don't know. I kept still. My mother will kill me. I'm dead. Oh, my mother will kill me. Oh God, I kept this money. Oh, mother will kill me today.
I'll make sure I'll see you that Monday. Huh? All right. Young lady, what is the problem?
I lost my money.
Is that the reason why you are crying? Look, stop crying, okay? Now, go home and tell the person who sent you, right? Sitting down here will do you no good.
I can't. My mother will kill me if I don't return with what she asked me to buy.
How much is it?
25,000 CDs.
All right. Take this money, okay? And stop crying. Take it.
Thank you very much Thank you. May God richly bless you. Please, where do you stay?
I stay at Roman Hill. I'm here to visit a friend in the shop over there.
Okay. Thank you very much.
So how much did they bring? You know how?
3 cartons.
What about the price?
1.2 million cedis.
It's okay. So what do you think we're supposed to do next? Afternoon.
Sorry, excuse me. I know you don't recognize me.
No, please help me out.
I was the girl you helped out the other day.
Charlie, this is the lady I told you the other day that she lost her money. Oh, that's nice of you. How are you doing?
I'm fine.
I hope your mom did not flog you again.
No, she did not.
Let's go out and let me buy you something to drink. I mean to cool you down. You want? Come on.
Okay.
I'll see you later.
Bye-bye.
Okay, bye-bye.
Let's move. Come in. What was the name again?
My name is Mercy.
Mercy. What a lovely name. Let them bring you more drinks, right? Oops. 1 minute. Here you are.
Thank you.
Oh, cheers. Drink.
You're a very good man. Thanks. My mother would have killed me.
Oh, look, that was okay. That was okay. Look, I was born a Samaritan. That's why people call me Mr. Good Man. That's great. Oh, we're good. Are you feeling dizzy? Right now, come and lie on the bed, okay?
When I see one. I even detect pregnancies when it is 3 days old. Yet you deny. I will take you to the hospital, and if it is proven that you are pregnant, you will leave this house immediately. Take it from me. I have been warning you against men, but my daughter will never listen. Here. Bitch! Not only that you are pregnant, you have the authority to deny it all this time. And now you are 4 months pregnant in my house. Leave my house and go to the man who made you pregnant. I'm telling you now!
Mama, please. It was an accident.
Already? Accident? Shameless girl! You call sleeping with a man an accident. Do you know how long it takes? Leave my house now!
Mama, please, don't say send me away. I don't have anywhere to go to.
You know you have nowhere to go, yet you mess yourself up. By tomorrow morning, 6 o'clock sharp, you are out of my house. Au revoir, goodbye, auf Wiedersehen, au revoir.
But you will have to leave here sooner or later. I'm sorry.
Please, nurse, please, what's happening?
You are Mr. James?
Yes, please, I am.
Your wife has been delivered of a big bouncing baby girl.
What? A big bouncing baby girl?
But the doctor says she lost much blood. So she needs blood transfusion urgently.
Blood transfusion? Please, where are they?
Your wife is in the intensive care unit. Your baby is okay. Please, run around for blood. Please, if you may excuse me, I have something else to do.
Close to you, never leave. Our love will last for eternity.
James, what is the matter? How is she?
They need blood. The doctor said she lost much blood and it has rendered her anemic.
Oh boy. Is that why you're looking so down? Don't worry. It happens most of the time. Don't worry. How is the baby?
She's alright. The nurse says she's alright.
Okay. You go back in. Okay? I guess we have to go and purchase the blood.
Yes, yes. Just take calm. Yes. You are not in the shape to run around. First experience.
Alright, let's go.
Anyway, that's the way it feels.
Please, you need somebody who can breastfeed your child. Your wife cannot do this.
But I don't have anybody.
Is there any of your relations who had baby with you?
None I can remember. Please, what will happen to my child? Will she die?
Mr. James, no. We need to breastfeed your child. It is very essential.
I love to sing the beat.
Well, there's a nursing mother here. I don't know whether she wants to help.
Oh, please. Please, let her help me. Can I see her?
Follow us. To you, don't never leave me. Our love will last for eternity. I will always love you to the end of the world. Through the storms.
Sorry, my darling.
Hold you closer to me.
Somebody is taking care of our baby. And I pray you be well soon. Come and take care of her yourself.
I'll always be true to you, 'cause I love you. I will always love you to the end of the world. Through the storm.
Everything will be alright.
Hold you closer to me.
Yes, James.
Whenever
God is in control.
just call it.
Auntie Mel, please tell me it's not true.
Hey, Joanna, God. Joanna, why did you do this to us?
Auntie Mel, please tell me it's not true. Tell me it's not true.
I want to see that.
Oh God. His wife is dead. And now the woman who is helping him with the breastfeeding of his baby has been ejected.
What did you say next?
I'm sorry, Mercy has been ejected. Thank you so
Sorry, baby. Sorry.
Mercy! 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 What is the problem?
Sorry, I heard what happened to your wife. Well, I don't know what you're going to do with your baby. The hospital has asked me to leave, and I don't know where I'll be going to.
Where are your parents?
I'm an orphan. My parents dumped me in a refuse container. It's a long story. My auntie, who is actually my foster mother, didn't want to have anything to do with me when she found out I was pregnant. I don't have anywhere to go to. Please, I'm very sorry.
Don't you know I paid for this place?
I will pay. I will pay.
How much? How much?
I don't have any money now. My mother sent me away. I don't have anywhere to go to. Please, I beg you in the name of God. I don't have anywhere. Just help me, please. Help me.
Okay. What is your name?
Mercy. Please.
You sleep here. I'll sleep there.
Thank you, Ma.
Kaya, come. I'm going to the taxi rank. How much will you take?
Okay, give us 20,000 cedis.
20,000 cedis? I'll give you 10,000.
Okay, 15.
These small things. I'll give you 10,000. I'll give you 10,000.
Okay.
This one's happy, don't worry.
Take care.
Here. This way.
Go now.
Go for personal money.
No, I have not. But people say she does not want to see me anymore. That I'm good riddance.
Oh. Okay. Don't worry. How old is the pregnancy now?
I'm almost due.
Thank God for that.
Thank God. I thank you so much.
Don't worry.
I don't know what I would have done without you.
Don't worry at all. It's one of those things, you know. God moves in a mysterious way. You never know when it's your turn.
Yeah. Thank you for everything. So how much did we make today?
Today I think I had 23,000 cedis.
Wow, that's a lot of money. I think I made about 25. Wow.
So by and by be putting up something, huh?
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Let me see what I can do. You just hang around. Just hang around. And I'll be back, okay?
James, what's wrong? Have you been able to buy the drugs for the babies?
Yes, I have, but there's a problem.
Problem? Sit.
Yes. What is it? You know the lady who is helping with the breastfeeding of my baby. The hospital has asked her to leave.
What do you mean she has no place to go?
She is an orphan and sacked from her foster home when she got pregnant.
Well, we can't afford to lose her because of the baby. Well, see if you can ask her to come and occupy the guest room so that we find her a place later on.
Oh, thank you, brother. Thank you so much.
Don't worry.
Oh, then I will tell her right away.
Okay.
Martha. Now because of this, you know one give me small money.
I will give you. But if I give you, don't use it to buy drink.
Sister, no be say I dey take am dey drink plenty. You know say wife I no get. Children I no get. So now only this small thing where I dey take enjoy life for the city.
Don't go.
Who go give me?
I've told you not to give this boy money when you come here.
They do like this now. I mean, you won't make us out.
Sorry, dear. My dear, you are welcome. Thank you. How is the city?
Mama, I came to discuss an issue with you.
What about?
That little boy in my house is breaking my marriage. I think I seriously have to do something about it.
Oh, Martha, my dear. Take it easy. I think your problem is psychological. Because of what you've been told about that boy, you are prejudiced against him.
No, Mama. You don't understand my situation. My husband and I quarrel over that boy every day. It's getting too much.
Take your time, Martha. I don't believe your husband loves that boy more than you, as you want us to believe. No, I don't believe.
Anyway, Mama, how about Uncle Kofi?
It's okay. Generally, things aren't moving well with him.
It's alright, I'll see what I can do about it.
Alright.
Like this for so long. No money, no friend. Mr. HIPIK, 'cause that's the way they want it to be. Like those who've been before.
Hello, Mercy.
Welcome, sir.
Why are you washing in the sun?
I just had to finish all these clothes, sir.
Oh, I see. Where is James?
He's in the living room.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Welcome.
Yes. buy yourself something at the market. Oh, take it.
Thank you very much, sir. I'm very grateful, sir.
You're welcome. What do you think about this kind of wrestling?
Yeah, that is how deep you do it.
You love it? Yes, this reminds me. I've been wanting to tell you this. You know, tomorrow is Melody's birthday. And we have to postpone its celebration until the final funeral rites of Joanna is concluded.
Yes, brother, that's thoughtful. That's thoughtful. But can it stop us from naming the child now? Brother, I have thought of why are you naming the child after your wife?
Oh, really? That's nice. Have you discussed this with her?
Oh, brother, this is the only way I can express my appreciation towards you and your wife. Look, since the death of our parents, you've been more than parents to me, and I feel this is the only way I can express my appreciation.
I know Melody will be appreciative of the honor you've done her, really. Anyway, how's the child?
Yeah, she's okay. She's okay. She's doing fine.
And the mother who is breastfeeding her?
Mercy, yeah, she's also doing fine.
I see.
The death of our parents, you've been more than parents to me, and I feel this is the only way I can express my appreciation.
I know Melody will be appreciative of the honor you've done her, really. Anyway, how's the child?
Yeah, she's okay. She's okay. She's doing fine.
And the mother who is breastfeeding her?
Mercy, yeah, she's also doing fine.
I see.
That's Martha and her garden. Vida is here. Oh, Vida. Thank you. You look good. You too. Anytime I think about you, you're here. I'm so happy.
I visit on instinct.
Yeah. You're
Is there a
welcome.
problem?
Okay. Quite an amount. Vida, let's go in.
Okay.
Just sit down, let me get you some drink.
Okay. Hey, Martha. Each time I come here, I see something new.
Oh, my God. You always know my favorite, Martha. Of course. I bought this specially for you. I know you like it.
See. Sharp fruit. La fiesta.
Woo! I'm sure you'll like it. That's how you know good wine. The men think they are the only ones that know good wine. We know where we see them too. Oh, cheers.
It tastes good.
You're a prophetess, you know. Everything you told me is coming true.
What happened? I went to see a prophet a fortnight ago. He told me exactly what he told me. Everything.
Mother, this is the time to take some action before this matter gets out of hand.
You're right.
Is your husband at home?
There's nobody in the house.
Okay. There is this Juju man in my village. He is very good. He can help you.
Juju man? Vida?
Very good.
No. The prophet said I should embark on fasting and prayers. That's all.
Fasting and prayer. How long did Abraham pray before his prayers got answered? How soon do you think fasting and prayer will change Jonathan's mind? Tell me. This is a very serious matter. Consider it.
Sorry. Oh, Melody's crying. Honey, please, let me attend to your sister. Okay, it's okay. I'll be right back. Sorry, let me attend to your sister. It's okay, I'll be back. Oh, Mel, baby, I'm so sorry. Oh, sorry. Oh, honey, why? Mommy's
I love to sing.
I'm attending to your sister. It's okay, baby. Come to mommy. It's okay. Sorry. Mommy. I'm coming. It's okay. Your sister is crying. I have to attend to her. I'm sorry, baby. I'm sorry. Let me attend to your sister.
I will always love you to the end of the world, through the storms of life. Hold you closer to me whenever you need me. Just calling out your name. I'll always be true to you, 'cause I love you. I will always love you to the end of the world, through the storms of life.
You, not so. Huh? Witch!
Hey, a witch?
Yes!
Me, a witch?
Yes, you are a witch!
Me, Vida, a witch?
You are a witch! Get out from my house! I said get out from my house before I knock your head!
All right.
Oh, shit.
I couldn't believe my ears. Boys like that, what do you expect? Can you imagine that since the accident, nobody has come forward to join him? You're right, huh? Hey! He sent only by witches into your house. Look, Vida, are you sure this thing is going to work.
The answer to your problem is in here.
Inside my bag.
So foolish. Every word that comes out of your husband's mouth is Martha. Martha. Martha.
Robert.
Look at
Hey! Look, if this thing works, Jonathan knows no one is but me, Martha, and Robert. Oh my God.
Consider it done.
What will I do for you?
Oh, do for me. See. You will build a house for me.
Oh, a house. What are friends for? First of all, I'll start today by giving you a treat somewhere.
Woo!
So where?
A good lunch at Kiravi.
Look, my bag is loaded. Get in the car. Hey, I can't believe that. Yes, man.
I sent Samson to send you some documents.
He phoned me. Yeah, he phoned and said he'll be coming later in the day to bring them.
I see.
Yeah. Let me send your portfolio inside.
Okay.
Could you please do this to me? And you always tell me I'm going fat.
Yes. Which of us is the fat one?
Okay, me, I'm slimming up.
Wow, Mercy, I didn't know you were such a good cook.
Thank you very much, sir. My foster mother is a fancy. She operates a canteen in the university.
Oh, that's good. So, we can set a restaurant for you at Bantama.
I'll be very grateful, ma.
Brother, you know what? Mercy has a proposal she would want to make.
Is that so? Let's hear it.
I don't know how you take it, but I want to name my child Melody. It's a way of showing appreciation for all you've done for me.
Well, that is good. Mel, you are here. What do you have to say?
Thank you, Mercy. Thank you so much. But James has already named his child after me. And I don't think it will be a good idea having two children at the same house bearing the same name.
Yes, I think you are right. Wait a minute. James, how about us naming the child after our mother?
That's a good idea, a very good idea.
All right, so Mercy, we want to name your daughter after our mother, who was so dear to us, as your daughter is to us. In fact, she was called Esther.
Esther.
What do you say? Yes.
That's a nice name. Oh, thank you very much. I don't know how to thank you for all you've done. Thank you very much for accepting me. May the good Lord bless you.
Amen.
How long are you going to continue like this? Pull yourself together. Okay, please.
Father, I don't know. But don't you think it's that? I think the native doctor gave us that killed Jonathan.
Martha, how can you talk like that? How? You are not the first person I've taken to that man. It's worked for other people. Why should yours be different?
I don't know.
It is the bad luck that boy said you have in this house. You either kill him or he definitely will kill you. Come on, Mata.
Father, you might be right, you know.
Of course, I am. You know, I'm always right. Come on, Mata. Please.
I bless the day I found you. Songs of melody ring in my heart. Suddenly life had new meaning.
Right. We called you here for something very important.
And I hope you are going to listen well and take a very decisive decision.
See, you've been living with us for quite some time now. And I hope we've done our best to make you a home, even though we know we might not have met all your aspirations.
Auntie, brother, you people have provided more than a home for me. I will always be grateful for that.
Thank you. Thank you. But, well, it's a good thing we called you here for. James wants your hand in marriage.
Brother James wants to marry me. I don't think it's possible.
Why?
Why do you say that?
I am not qualified to be his wife. He's educated and I'm not.
Come on.
Mercy, you don't have to say that. Look, love conquers all.
That's it. But you haven't answered my question, girl.
If he believes in his heart that he loves me, I have nothing to say.
Hold it. Mercy, is that a yes?
I will always love you to the end of the world, through the storms of life, hold you close.
Sir! Yes, ma'am. Sir! Yes, ma'am.
Oh, you are here in the garden, eh? You are relaxed here in my garden when you have a lot of unwashed plates in my kitchen. What is wrong with you? What is wrong with you, eh? You stupid boy. You want to cry? Let me see tears from those stupid eyes of yours and I'll plug them out for you. Yes, come on. Will you go and wash those plates? Foolish boy. Can you imagine? Relaxed in my garden. Witch. Seth, come here. Say, come here. What are you doing with that knife in your hand?
I want to put oranges on it.
What you should be doing is to wash my place, wash my kitchen, clean everywhere for me. That's what you should be doing. So you are here, eh? You are here. Huh? You are here, sir. So you come back from school, you just drop your bag, you come into my parlor and lie on my couch. Oh, you want to kill me? Eh? You want to kill me the way you killed your mother and you bewitched my husband and you also killed him. Eh? You want to kill me? Look, before you kill me, I will bring people that will eat you raw. I will kill you first. I will kill you first. I will kill you first. I will kill you. Now listen to me. Listen. Before I open my eyes and before I count 3, you must vanish from this place. 1, 2.
Bye. This boy is not from here. Stop what you are doing. They will kill you when they see you doing what you planned. But I'm hungry. Hungry? Do you stay around?
No.
Where's your mother?
My mother is dead.
Dead?
Hey! We didn't hear anything. All what we've heard is your friends are here. What happened? Huh?
Mama, barely 1 month after my husband's death. His company threw out our things.
What?
I pleaded with them, but they refused.
These people are heartless. Huh? Don't worry, dear. Don't worry. At least you've got me. I'm around. Huh? We'll take care of you and Robert. Huh? Don't worry, dear. Don't worry.
Sister, make you no worry. If those people were there that no want you, we were there here, we want you. Me self, as you come now, the thing they sweet my body well. So make you no worry. Make I begin carry your things to go, sir.
Don't worry, dear. It's all right. These people are heartless.
Mama, I took some people load across the road and they gave me this.
Is that so? You are a good boy. Are you hungry?
No.
Take care, eh? Be careful.
Yes, ma'am.
Mama, how much is the rifle? 300 cedis. What about this? Oh, you don't have the one I want. Please come back.
No, thank you. 5,000 cedis.
No.
Mama, good day.
My son, how are you?
I'm fine, Mama. Here is 120,000 cedis. Keep it with the rest. I'll tell you what to do with it later. Tell you. I want to see a customer.
Seth, come back.
Mama.
Towards evening, make sure that you come back early.
Okay,
I
Mama.
have a message for you.
Okay.
Mother, try as much as possible to read one page of any storybook you come across before you sleep, okay?
Yes, big man.
It will make you fluent. And don't laugh at elderly people. What should I buy for you?
The chocolates.
Chocolates? Whoops! And you?
A bicycle.
A bicycle! You want to ride a bicycle? And if you don't ride the bicycle with a helmet on, you will crush your head. And what about you?
A computer game.
A computer game? That's good. You want to be a computer literate. That's good because we are in the computer age. I love you, kids. I love you. Give me a hug. Give me a hug. So I must be going. Mother, get me my bag. I must be going. Mercy, I'm leaving. Oh, mother. Oh, mother. You are too careless. Why? Look at what you've done.
Auntie Mellon, why are you charging at the poor girl like that? Can't you see it was just an accident? All you girls, go inside. Go inside. And stay there. I don't want to see you outside.
Well, I agree it was an accident. But if she had been careful, she wouldn't have dropped that bag.
Why didn't you pick the bag up?
Pick it up myself.
Yes, why didn't you pick it up? Anyway, I don't blame you. All you do is just sit there and send people to anywhere you like. You, get me this person, get me this. That's all you do all day. I know because you don't have a child of your own.
Mercy? You think because I don't have a child, I don't have feeling for children?
Yes, Melody, yes, you don't have feelings. Listen to me and listen to me good. I've been observing the way you treat my children. I don't like it. I don't like it one bit. You just have to be careful. You barren woman.
Mercy, I promise. Richie must see all this.
Like who cares? Rubbish.
I couldn't believe Mercy could be so rude. After all that we've done for her.
Sister Mel, please, don't take it too deep. Please. I can't simply rationalize her behavior towards you.
I couldn't believe him when she told me.
Brother, I couldn't believe it either. I couldn't believe it either. I mean, I can't understand what came over her at that time.
Mercy, calling me a barren woman. Oh God, when are you going to give me my own children?
Come on, stop this.
Please, Sister Mel. Please, I'm very sorry. Please pardon her for that. Please, I'm very sorry.
Will you stop this?
Sister Mel, please.
Look, James, it's okay. You can leave now. Alright?
Mercy.
I'm now a laughing stock.
Come on.
This is what I've been telling you, Mercy. This is what I've been telling you. No matter how she treated mother, you have no moral justification to talk to her the way you did.
Listen, James. I will not sit down and let her bully my daughters like that, okay?
They are all her children. And she has been treating them like that all these years. Why call her barren?
Is she not barren? James, is she not barren? Look at you, James. You have a big head. And I'm kind enough to tell you your head is big. Tell me, is that an insult? Huh?
Mercy, I don't know what came over you, but you must go and apologize.
Me, Mercy, apologize. You must be sick. Listen to me. If you are afraid of them, I am not. You don't know who Mercy is.
Hey, Mercy, no!
James, you're looking for my trouble. If you don't want my trouble, just let me be. Okay?
Welcome, Mr. James.
Oh, hello, Mary. Thank you. How are you?
Fine. Did you travel? I did not see you last week.
Oh, I've been very tight of late. I need some few items. Can you do me a favor?
I'm at your service.
These are the lists. And I think this will do.
Okay. All right.
Thank you.
What have I done to deserve this? Tell me, where did I go wrong? Was I blind?
James.
Is it a crime for
James.
loving?
Is this what you call uncompleted building?
No matter
Oh, come on. We are not under any pressure to move into this building. Look, we have to take our time. I need the tiles here, the staircase to this balcony. Look, the sliding doors and I mean everything. Look, we have to take our time. There is no need to rush, okay? All the same, the contractor has done a good job. What do you think? I only wish...
James! To me, this house is completed. I don't know why you enjoy staying with your brother.
Look, I don't enjoy staying at my brother's place, okay? Otherwise, I wouldn't have acquired this land in the first place. Huh? Are we under any pressure to quit at all? Are we?
Must you be put under pressure before you quit? Must you? Listen, it's time you get your own independence. I mean, James, make your own decisions.
Who said I am being dictated to? Huh?
Didn't your brother stop you from buying me that card the other day? Didn't he? Didn't he stop you?
Look, he did not dictate to me. All that he said was if I could use the money to complete this building. That's all.
Enough is enough. I don't want to ever stay under the same roof with your brother again and have them treat you like a houseboy.
What have I done to deserve this? Tell me, where did I go wrong? Was I blind? Or is it a crime for loving me?
Justice,
No
I hope you enjoy your meal. Good. Look, every one of you should enjoy this time out, okay? Enjoy your meal. Mercy, I hope you are enjoying it.
James, you have completed the building for the past 2 months. Why can't we just move in?
Actually, not until my brother returns from abroad.
So if he's going to stay for a decade, do we have to wait for him?
Mercy, you know he's staying for only 3 weeks.
Why do we even have to wait for him in the first place? That's what I don't understand.
Look, Mercy, we need his approval.
His approval? Hey, James.
Mercy. Yes, we need his blessing.
James, why do we need his blessing in the first place? Why do we need it? Is he God or a pastor that will bless us before we leave? Why can't you just behave like a man for once? I mean, take a decision and stick by it, for God's sake.
Mommy, why are you shouting on Daddy like that?
Daddy does not want to be a man.
Mother, enjoy your meal, okay?
Okay.
There is no problem.
How's the food?
Oh, Mata, may God bless you and everything where they do. The food today is sweet well. I don't know what thing I go tell you again. Ever since where you come back here, all my friends they talk say I don't begin add weight.
It's true. They are not lying.
I trust you. Even sir, the time where you there for town, even after the death of your husband and the running of that boy you call Seth. Hey, that boy, I don't hear say he don't become armed robber. You don't hear? So, as I was saying, even in those difficult times, you were still sending down money to me. You know, be like Mary.
Ofori, don't blame Mary. You know she's only a petty trader. Huh?
Don't defend her.
She doesn't have much. Robert! Eat your food and...
Okay.
Robert! Mama, you're welcome.
Thank you, dear. Robert, I brought some tubers of yam. They are by the roadside. Go get them.
I'm tired.
Robert, go and get the yams for Mama.
I'm tired.
Mama, please don't be angry, eh? He's been working all day. In fact, we just finished cooking now. Please.
Mama, you see say I dey eat. If no be say I dey eat, I for don't go carry am for you.
I'll go and get them myself.
It's all right, Mama. Eat your food, eh?
Mata. Now you make her like you.
Mommy, welcome.
How are you? What are you doing here? Hungry.
Mercy. I'm going out and I'm not coming back till late. You know, tomorrow is my birthday. So take this money for the market. Won't you take it?
As you can see, I'm just coming back from somewhere. And I'm so tired and I'm not feeling well. So please, you can just keep your money to yourself.
But if you are sick, does it mean the children shouldn't eat?
Which children?
Your children, of course.
Thank God you said my children. So what they will eat is none of your business, okay? Excuse me.
Big mommy. Big mommy. It is a lie. She's not sick. She has not given us food this morning.
Mother, will you keep quiet and go inside now? I said go inside. Are you deaf? Stupid girl.
Ah, God.
Honey? Honey? There's something I've been wanting to tell you for some time now. But it's just that I don't want to cause any problem in our family. Your brother Richie, he's been making passes at me for some time now.
My brother? Which brother?
Honey, your brother. After our marriage, he said I should give him the opportunity to have a baby by me, since his wife cannot conceive. I just don't know. I've been trying to keep it to myself, but I can't.
You mean my brother Richie?
Oh, honey, come on. How many brothers do you have?
Oh, spare me that. My brother can never ever do such a thing. Ah!
Okay. Okay. Why do you want to rape me now, eh? I told you I'm your brother's wife. Can't you understand?
What are you doing?
Oh, James! James!
Listen,
Don't rape me. I told you I'm not interested. I'm your brother's wife.
What is the problem?
It's your brother. It's your brother. He tried to rape me. I told you he tried to rape me.
James,
there's a
sorry, please do.
Look, just listen.
Auntie, it's Uncle Richie. I was inside the bedroom trying to take my bath. I was just bending and he just came all the way from my back. He just wanted to rape me.
Richie?
Yes, I told him and I can't.
There's total confusion here. Okay? Total misunderstanding. Listen, I just came here looking for you.
It's a lie. He wants to rape me. You know it. Why are you trying to lie now? I told him that I don't want to do, but he didn't do. I have to stop it.
Listen, I can't take this. I just came in here looking for you and
It's a lie.
James, please. Please. I can't take this.
Brother's wife, but he wants to listen. He said he just wants to do it.
Just now? Are you sure?
Yes, but he didn't succeed. That's why I had to hold him.
He attempted to. Look. Annie, please. Annie.
Don't handle me.
Annie. Look, listen.
I told you.
Mercy, what are you trying to do?
You know. Oh, God.
My son.
Yes, ma'am.
The reason why I called you here is that I want you to take Seth to overseas where you are staying. He is a good boy. Ever since he's been with me, he has never stolen or done anything wrong.
Look, mommy, you don't even need to explain all these things to me. You know how much I love you. I will always do anything for you. As long as the boy is a very good boy, I don't mind taking him over there. Yes, it's even nice you told me early enough. I think I have to start processing his documents and his passport for his trip.
Hurry up. Let's move those ones. I think you should move, James, if you don't want to go.
Mom, where are we going?
We're going away from this place.
No, we won't.
No what? Will you keep quiet?
Mom, we want to.
Hey, you shut up and get going. Mercy, make sure you've gotten everything out of this house.
Okay, darling. it's your mom. You're leaving this house.
Dad, stop.
Come on. Will you open again and get inside now?
No.
Forsaken house for them. They're moving to our own house. It's better for us.
Melanie, you can, in the waters of imagination, accuse me of such a foul play? But she said you did it, and you were caught physically present in the bathroom. Look, I know nothing about what Mercy said. I was looking for James. It's rather unfortunate I found myself in the bathroom. Hell! Bathroom! Is it in the bathroom that one looks for people? I was calling out for James. Why didn't she respond for God's sake? Oh, I'm not convinced. You are entitled to your own opinion, but I insist I'm still innocent.
Is that what you are telling me, Richie?
Yes.
Richie, I'm not convinced. Richie, no. She said you did it. Huh? I'm not convinced. Are you lying? Richie!
Men. So, are they to be trusted?
Oh, I'm so happy.
Yeah, I am too.
So honey, how do you feel?
I am proud of you.
Oh, thank you. Oh, God.
Come in now, come in, Annie.
Songs of melody ring in my heart. Suddenly
Oh,
yes.
This is so beautiful. You see, honey? You see how it feels living in your own house instead of living in that brother's big kid.
At least we have no more intruders now. We have our own peace. I hope you're satisfied, darling.
how much I care.
Yes, I am.
Never leave. Our love will last for eternity.
Said, I hope you didn't forget the winter jacket.
Yes, brother.
Sure? What about the food stuff? Are they packed already?
Everything is packed in the car.
Okay.
Mr. Belinda, please, I need some condiments.
No problem.
Thank you. I'll see you later.
Mary, I don't know whether you know my son Horace.
No.
He lives abroad.
Oh.
Hello, madam.
Welcome.
You're welcome, madam. You're welcome.
He is living this night with Sid.
Oh, I see. Safe journey.
Thank you very much. Compliment of the season.
Okay.
Bye.
Oh, hello, Annie. Hello.
Hi.
How's the house?
It's okay.
Thank you, Justice.
How's work today?
Not bad.
You're welcome.
Thank you. I brought someone for you.
You do?
Yes. Kate,
Yes, sir.
you can come in.
Good afternoon, Auntie.
Let's see. This is the girl I've been talking to you about. She's Kate. She used to be one of the girls that helped me at the market.
Kate,
Auntie.
how are you?
Fine, thank you.
My name is Mercy, and James is my husband. I have 2 daughters and a son. I hope you'll be a good girl.
Yes, Auntie. Mr. James knows me very well. Otherwise, he will not recommend me to you.
Hope you'll be good. Justice.
Yes, ma'am.
Come on. This is Justice, my son. Justice, that's Auntie Kate. She'll be helping us out in the house, eh?
Yes,
so you have to be a good boy to her, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
I hope you continue to be the Kate I've known, okay?
Yes, sir.
Oh, so no problem. Feel at home. Where are your things?
It's up to.
Go and get them.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Auntie.
You're welcome.
Not give it to you. But it's mine.
If I play with it, have I taken it? I won't.
You
It's
threw
for
yours away and you want to take mine.
I won't give it to you.
Give my ginger.
Children, stop making noise. You wake your mother up. Melody, stop it.
What is it? Huh? What is going on? What is it? Will you stop that? Why won't you kids just let me have rest in this house? I've been trying to have a nap, but you guys won't just let me. What is it?
That belongs to me.
So what if it belongs to you? Can't she play with it? You won't kill me the way you killed your mother, witch! Two of you, get out from here.
What did you bring for us?
I got you some chocolates. Take one each and give Justice the other.
James, Justice is sick.
What is the problem?
I don't know.
You don't know? Your child is sick and you don't know what his problem is.
James, there's at times you just talk and I believe that you just want to get me pissed off. What do you mean by I don't know? Am I a doctor? Do I look like a doctor to you? Huh?
Daddy, is it true that Melody killed her mother?
Who told you this?
Mommy.
It is not true. Mommy was only joking, okay?
Melody, you see, it is not true. Let's go outside and play.
Mercy, you said this.
Please spare me.
Oh, I'm through yet with the lane. Oh, when Justice was already sleeping. Come on, hurry up.
Jay! What is it?
Let me.
Dressed like this? Will you get out from here? Get out now! James! That girl must leave this house tomorrow. She must leave!
But she's of great help to us in this house.
I don't want to lose my husband to anybody yet, okay?
Okay. Do anything that pleases you.
James. What about what I told you the other day? You know Justice is no longer a baby. And I can't keep on staying at home. I had to do something.
What do you intend doing?
Trading. But I need some money. Baby, I need to support you.
About how much would you need?
$10,000 will do.
But I just gave you $5,000 last week.
Oh, come on, honey. I need that money. You know how to buy lots of things. You know what trading intends.
That's alright. We can get it by tomorrow morning.
Thank you. I'll be waiting.
Joy and strength to face each new day. I love to sing deep into your eyes and tell you time again how much I care. Oh, hold me close to you, don't never leave me. Our love will last for eternity. I will always love you.
honey, you're not through yet. Let me help you. What are you still doing?
I'm trying to get it off.
Let me help you. Honey, I have one more request.
What is it?
My business is booming. We need to expand it.
That's a good thing. It's not bad.
But I need some money. Something bigger. You can call it a loan.
Well, I will see my friend at the bank and see if he can help us out.
Okay, aren't you, darling? Thank you. So let me rush.
Okay.
I'll see you. Take care.
Alright, you too.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Mercy!
Look at you!
Oh, good, look at you! When did you return?
Yes, and I've missed you so much. I have to come and see
I miss you too!
Come on, Mercy, you're looking great.
You too!
Yes, Mercy, you meet Paul, my friend, and this is Mercy, my good friend.
Wow. You are absolutely beautiful.
Thanks for the compliment.
No.
Paul.
They are not only compliments, they are true. In fact, a lady like you deserves more.
Well, enough of that.
Oh, it's true.
Mercy, so we're going to pass by tonight to the house and
No, you have to. No, you have to. Please come on, sit. I've not seen you for ages and you want to leave me now? No.
Justice, Mommy is saying you don't have to eat the biscuit anymore, okay?
You're welcome.
Oh, how are you? I'm tired. Oh, what a hectic day.
Mercy, what are we going to eat?
What kind of question is that?
Are you not going to cook?
Look, James. When you realized I was not going to come back home early, why didn't you go into the kitchen, cook something for yourself and the kids, eh? Who says men don't cook when their wives are not in, huh?
Look, Mercy, this is the reason why I insisted we should keep Kate. Now you send her away and you expect me to do the kitchen job.
Oh, please. Just shut up. Listen, look, I'm tired, I'm having a headache, and I need to rest. I don't want you to bother me with this your food issue.
Mercy, get back here! Get back here!
Justice, you have to continue with your visit, okay?
No, I won't eat. I'm hungry.
Oh, please, Justice.
No, I won't eat.
Begging you, you just take the biscuit. Take it, okay, please.
What have I done to deserve this? Tell me, where did I go wrong? Was I blind? Or is it a crime for loving you? No matter how I try.
He's always helping everyone.
Hi, Mr. James.
Hello, Mary.
Good evening, Auntie Mary.
Good evening, children. How are you?
Fine.
Please, Mary, I need some yam. Can you take this money and buy them out for me?
Okay.
About how much you do?
20.
Okay.
This will be okay.
All right.
Auntie Mary is a good woman. She's always helping Daddy. And she treats us fine.
Oh, yes. Yes, Auntie Mary is a good woman. So, Mary, see you in the
Okay. Bye-bye.
Yeah, let's go.
Justice.
Mother! Where's the water I asked you to bring?
Daddy, why doesn't mommy cook for us nowadays?
Mommy is very busy of late. Melody! Melody, see who is at the door?
Yes, Daddy. Daddy, it's Aunt Mary.
Let her in.
Hello.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Is your father in?
Yes,
Where is he?
in the kitchen.
Thank you.
Oh, hello, Mary.
Mr. James. Brother, yeah.
You are welcome.
Thank you.
Oh, thank you for bringing the yam. Thank you very much. I was just about to finish with the half remaining in the house.
Oh, please. Let me do this.
Oh, please. Thank you very much. Thank you. Let me manage.
That's a woman's job. I insist. Please.
Oh, Auntie Mary, thank you very much.
Oh. Hi, kids.
Welcome, Mommy.
Where is your father?
He's in the kitchen with Auntie Mary.
Who is Auntie Mary? Who are you? James, who is she?
Mommy, she's our friend.
Your friend. Who is your friend?
I sell at the market. I'm their friend.
James, what is this woman doing here? Is she your girlfriend?
Look, you must be out of your mind. You must be out of your mind.
If this woman is not your girlfriend, what is she doing in my kitchen? Woman, by the count of 3, you had better leave my kitchen now. 1, 2, 3.
Mommy, why should she leave? You are not being fair to Auntie Mary.
Shut up! Hey, you dare don't touch my daughter again. You dare don't touch her again.
Who is your daughter?
What have I done to deserve this? Tell me, where did I go wrong? Was I blind? Or is it a crime for?
Oh, in Jesus' name I pray with thanksgiving. Amen. Amen. Yes.
Oh. Hello, Mary.
You're welcome, Mr. James.
Thank you very much.
Who showed you my house?
Mary, with what happened yesterday, I had to comb all around looking for your house.
Please come in.
Thank you.
Please sit.
Oh, I came purposely to apologize for my wife's behavior yesterday. I'm very sorry, and I mean, that was very rude of her. I'm very sorry. I'm very sorry.
That's all right.
Oh, really? Are you sure you've forgotten about it?
Yes.
Oh, thank you very much. Thank you very much, Mary. Thank you so much. Okay. I need to join them.
Are they down there?
Yes, they are in the car.
Oh, okay.
Mary, thank you so much for forgetting about it, okay?
That's all right.
Thank you very much. Must be going.
Hi, honey.
Hello, Dee.
Hi. Hi. How's work today?
Not bad.
Honey, I want you to meet somebody.
You can sit down, Jenna. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. His name is Simon. I met him at the trade fair. He has a business proposal for you.
Gentlemen, what's your line of business?
Well, sir, I distribute footwear. I have a 64-feet 8 container, another container full of electronic gadgets. I just need a distributor.
About how much would you need for that?
Well, I just need $150,000, and you are going to be the sole distributor.
We can do that. I will have to see my bankers, and the money can be ready by tomorrow.
Okay, sure. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you, madam.
You're most welcome.
Thank you. I'm not going to let you down, I promise.
All right.
Okay. I'd like to take my...
Yeah, I'll see you, huh?
Thank you.
Take care. So see you tomorrow.
Okay.
All right.
Bye. Juliet! Juliet!
Yes, madam.
Where have you been?
Oh, no, I was cleaning the table.
Who asked you to clean the table? Did I ask you to clean the table? What happened to those clothes? Huh? What happened to them? Didn't I ask you to arrange them? Arrange them properly now, stupid girl. You think I brought you here for free? Huh? Don't I pay you?
Sorry, madam.
These girls.
Hello.
Oh, hi, Simon.
Hello, Mercy.
Longest time.
Yes,
how's everything?
Very busy. Mercy, I finished with the paperwork on the goods and I went over to your husband's office to deliver it, but I couldn't find him. I even tried reaching him on phone, but that was not successful. You see, the problem here is I'm traveling tonight.
Yeah.
And if I don't give it to him, then he has to wait till I come back.
Oh, that won't be a problem. I will sign for him. After all, he's my husband. I will tell him once I get him.
That's very helpful.
Yeah.
Yeah. Sign here. Hey, thank you.
You're welcome.
Yes, your copy.
Okay. Your pen.
Please, tell James that he can now go and clear the place.
Okay, I will let him know. Thank you very much.
Cheers.
Paul,
Yes, darling.
I want this relationship to last because I love you and I don't want to lose you.
I adore you, Mercy. Now I know that I've never been loved until I met you. You're so wonderful.
Thank you very much. Paul, I want us to keep this on a low profile. You know I'm a married woman, so I just want to take things easy. Would you do that for me, please?
You know I'll do anything for you. Anything. Just name it. I'll do it for you. I will always love you. Shall we?
Mercy! Mercy!
What is it? Why are you shouting my name like that? I have seen you can't stay in this house a minute without me. What's your problem?
Hey, cut the jokes. What of the man you brought to me? I've not seen him since.
How should I know? You're the one that did business with him, not me.
But you brought him. Huh? Look, how do I see him and get my money back?
I don't know, and stop yelling at me.
Hey! Yeah! You don't know? The money is not for me, oh!
James, You should have reasoned before giving him the money.
How do I get this money?
James, what's wrong with you? Why are you here at this hour of the day?
Look, everything is wrong. My creditors are on me for their money. I mean, my shop is almost empty. Look, they are demanding for their money.
Find something to tell them.
Look, I cannot simply tell them anything. I mean, I've sold their goods and I have to pay them back. Mercy. Mercy.
What?
Are these products not from Simon?
Yes, they are from Simon. They are just here for samples.
Goodness! But you never told me he brought samples.
Yes, I didn't tell you, but they are just for adverts, that's all.
Mercy, please find your Simon for me. I'm begging you, please find your Alaji, please, I will pay. You just some few days. Oh, Alaji, please. Alaji, I will pay. I'm not saying I will not pay. Alaji, please.
Are you Mr. James?
Yes, I am. Caught in Janja.
Yeah, man.
To seal up my place. Oh, but Jimmy.
Man, to the court will do. Let's go.
Jimmy, come in. We can't talk about this outside.
Please, let's go.
Jimmy, come inside. Jimmy.
Let's get to the court. I think Jimmy. I can be over there.
Jimmy. No, I've had enough of this, man. I can't accept that anymore. We settle it at the court, please.
Man, I said, what was up, my brother?
He owes me a lot.
No. Come to court and say that.
Yeah, we have to settle it at the court.
No,
please, give me a break.
The shop belongs to you.
Yeah, it belongs to me.
You are going to court, my friend. Nothing. We're going to court. But put them all the nice on, man.
Jimmy, enough.
Jimmy, you have to talk.
Enough.
Jimmy, you're my good friend.
Let's do that at the court. Please, give me a break. Please, give me a break.
Jimmy, you can't do this to me.
Give me a fucking break, man.
Why is the key?
Oh, come on, Jimmy, you can't cut this down.
I've had enough of this.
Sir, my man, we settled everything in court. Calm down, man.
Sure.
We settled everything in court.
So let's kiss our ass off.
Let's go.
Business.
Hey, children, take care whilst you play. There is no money for hospital, okay?
Daddy, I'm hungry.
Look, today I don't even have 1 CD on me. Mother.
Daddy.
How are we going to eat this morning?
Daddy, we have some small quantity of condo in the refrigerator.
I've seen it, but it won't be enough for all of us.
Daddy, I and Melody will fast. We will prepare some porridge with it for justice. No, I will fast too, Daddy.
I heard the line about you.
Well, that's true. That's true.
How true?
Let me tell you what I like from you. I like your nose. Your lips. Soft and tender.
Oh, that's so nice. And you know what
Most of all, I like your eyes. Very blue eyes. Catch someone.
For that half Oh, God, I'm coming so. You make me so happy. Are you sure?
I love it so much. And I hope I do the same to you.
Of course you do.
Food is ready.
I don't feel for food. I don't have the appetite. How do I pay for these children's school fees?
Daddy, don't worry. God will provide.
Thank you, my child. But I know this will never go scot-free. It will never go scot-free. Now, I can't go back to my brother. How do I start all over again? But I've sworn I'll never sell anything in this house. But how do I survive? How do I start all over again?
Daddy, don't cry.
Is that the way she wants it? She's been waiting for so long for this opportunity. Your relations neglect you, friends so close forsake you, troubles all around you. You can tell you're not from your day. Oh, lonely days and lonely nights gonna come to my rescue. I turn low with the all with the world. Don't go, HIPIK. The world will reject you. It's been like this for so long. No money, no friend, Mr.
My sister, I will soon be a car owner. Do I even know how to drive?
You learn. It's lovely. Your son is so caring.
My sister, the one that makes me happy is that Seth has settled down.
Is that so?
He now works and lives on his own.
My sister, that place is definitely better than here. Good afternoon. Where are you from? Where's your father?
He's there. He told us to call you.
Okay. Sister Belinda, please keep an eye on my things. I'll be with you in a minute.
Okay. Be fast, so you know there's no one in my shop.
Oh. Who is at the gate? Come in, it's not locked.
Good day, sir.
Good day, madam. How can I help you?
I am Mrs. Nancy Arthur. Your wife has been seeing my husband, Paul Arthur. I am here to tell you to ask her to stop seeing him and leave him alone.
My wife?
Because if I ever catch her with my husband,
Okay. Thank you, madam. I will tell her.
Is that all you have to say? Is that all? Okay, you will hear from me.
My wife seeing another woman's husband. Okay, we will see.
Oh, honey, is that all?
What is this wind,
honey,
that blow?
Oh, darling, I was just asking whether there were anything left.
Only crime is I
Darling.
for you.
Oh.
I was just asking whether there were anything left.
Oh no.
What have I done?
All right.
Mercy! Tell me where did I
James, you're back.
I'm leaving.
Leaving for where? Mercy, you are my wife, for Christ's sake. Who is this man and what is he doing in my house?
James, please. There's no need to shout. James, you need your head examined if you don't know that this relationship is over.
Over?
Baby.
Yes, darling.
Are you ready?
I'm ever ready. Shall we?
Yeah.
Mercy, what about the kids?
Oh, you can keep this.
I can't live without you.
Sweetheart, let's
Yes,
have
darling.
a taste of a fruit.
And go wherever we want to.
Oh, we have
Oh, hallelujah.
Amen.
So this is my reward. Mother, please put it back on that same channel.
Daddy, where did mommy go to?
I don't know.
Will she come back?
Maybe.
No, we don't need her here again. She'll give us problems when she come back. Please, Daddy, don't let her come back.
Does it mean you don't miss your mother?
No, she always shouts at me.
She always beats me up. I always don't care whenever I'm sick.
Yes, Auntie Mary.
You said you paid that service.
You know, since we left, I've never been able to come and visit with you, no matter the circumstances. So I've come to see how at least you and Brother Richie are faring.
You, James? It is really terrible. Hey, is that how the world could be? We kept you, nursed you, and brought you up. What did we get? What did we get?
Oh, Auntie.
Frame up insults.
Oh, Auntie Mel.
You've now come to see your lovely brother after how many years? Tell me, after how many years? Just calculate. Well, you and your wife killed him.
Oh, please. Please, Auntie Mel.
You killed him. But thank God, oh God, he never survived your wife's blackmail and has been on and off the hospital for the past months. Did we see or hear from anyone? Tell me.
You mean Brother Richie has been sick for all this while? I swear I never knew.
How will you know? And how will you know when we are now enemies? We are trash.
Oh.
We are trash. Oh. You and your wife became too big that you didn't care about any person anymore. What do you now want from me?
What does that cockroach want in here?
Oh, Brother Richie. Brother Richie is me. Oh.
Don't you brother me. Don't you brother me. Get out of my house.
Oh, Brother Richie.
Don't let me come down and meet you there.
Auntie Mel.
Auntie
Mel, please.
Come on, open the doors. Out!
Did you hear me?
Oh, please.
Nonsense. Out!
Oh, Auntie Mel.
You wait for me down there.
Oh.
Off! Out! Shake! Oh, shake! Just get out! Oh, come on.
Oh, Brother Richie is me.
Nonsense. Today you are in Chalawate, so you suddenly remember you have a brother. You and that shameless and greedy wife of yours, you can go back to her. The next time that you set foot in here, it is the military that will arrest you. Fool. And you, the next time that you allow that boy inside this house, you will follow him out. Nonsense.
James, I invited you here for this very important discussion. I'm talking about the money you took for your wife, the loan. The bank brought to your wife about 6 months ago to remind her of the due date which had already elapsed.
Look, Frank, you can't believe this. My wife never told me about this. She never did.
Then your wife had something up in her sleeve. So finally, the bank took some measures to retrieve the money when it did not hear from you.
Manager, you're my good friend. You know I can't lie to you. Before God and man. Listen, heaven knows I can't pay this money now. I mean, the woman that we are even talking about, she's abandoned me and the kids.
James.
She's left her matrimonial home.
James, the bank has already taken its decision. There's nothing I can do now. You know my job is at stake. Please, if you have something doing, it should be between now and then tomorrow morning. By tomorrow morning, James, I'm afraid you can't be my friend. Right now, you have only 2 options. You pay the money or face ejection for the building to be auctioned to retrieve our money.
Why me, oh Lord? Why me?
Yes.
Look, manager, are you saying there is nothing you can do about this?
Yes, James, there's nothing I can do about it. James, I've got to go. Excuse me.
Hey, bring him out! Bring him out! You can't take him out! Bring him out! Officer! Go out! Manager! Go out!
It's
Get
okay.
them out of here.
Oh, Daddy,
Sit down. Look, it's okay. It's okay, Justice. Look, don't cry, mother. It's okay. Manager! Officer! Go out! Manager! Get out! Let's go! Let's go! Don't hit my child! Don't hit my child! Manager! Look! I said cool down! This has not been deal! This has not been deal! It's okay! It's okay! Look, it's okay. It's okay, Justice. Look, don't cry, mother. It's okay. Manager! Manager! Look at this beautiful.
Come to stay in this beautiful house.
Alone and you don't want to stay now. You have lost your beautiful house.
When we say you go come out, come and stay.
Mother, it's okay. Don't
This is the end of
cry.
your
It's
life.
okay, man. Oh, Justice. Justice, don't cry. Oh! This is my beautiful house. This is all that I've struggled in life for. Oh, Yehovah. Don't cry, Justice. Don't cry. Oh. 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 Hey. Mother, it's okay. Don't cry. Mother, stop crying. Justice. Look, it's okay, alright. It's okay. Melody, don't. Manager. Oh, don't cry, mother. Don't cry. Justice is okay. It's okay. Don't cry. Don't cry. Oh. Yehovah. Oh, Yehovah. Yeah. It's okay. I said don't cry. Don't cry. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Look. It's okay. It's okay. Justice, don't cry. Justice is okay. It's okay. Oh. Is this the end of my life? Oh. Don't cry, children.
Mary, immediately I got home from the market. I heard the news that my car has landed. I'm now looking for I'm now looking for a driver to teach me how to drive. I'm now going to drive all over the place.
Oh my God.
Boom! I'm now a car owner.
Oh, these are the type of things we pray for in life. God bless those boys.
Okay, Mary, I should be going. See you. See you.
Bye-bye. Hey, Belinda now a car owner. Oh. Come in, please.
Hello, Mary.
Mr. James. Please sit down. How can I help you?
I have a little problem. But you see, Mary, I'm sorry that each time when I have problems, I drag you into it.
That's all right. What is it?
I will be traveling, and I would want you to take custody of my children for me till I come back.
That's all right. Where are they?
I left them somewhere. I said I wanted to know if you could take care of them, and I'll go and bring them.
Go and bring them. I will.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
James, listen to me. Don't take this as serious. Your case is nothing. It's anything at all. Years back, mine was worse than yours. If you witness what happened to me, you'll be very sorry. You'll be very sorry. I beg you, don't take this as very serious. Forget about everything. Forget about your properties. Whatever happened, your children, forget about them. About 5 years now, I was just introduced into this cassette business. But that is now, I'm living all right. What I'll tell you, from tomorrow, I'll take you to our producers. Then I will explain your case to them and they'll give you. Gradually, you start selling on the street and very soon you'll be okay. You'll get money. You can put up anything at all you like. I beg you, don't take this and end your life as this.
Me selling cassettes?
James, please. Forget about shame. I beg you, James. It's better than stealing. It's better than taking off your life. I beg you. Let's go. I beg you, James. Let's go. Get back. I beg you.
Justice! Oh, mother, sit down. Oh, children, how are you?
Daddy, we are fine. What about you?
I'm fine.
Daddy, we are very happy. Aunt Mary is a very kind woman.
Oh, Aunt Mary.
Daddy, we want to know where you stay. Daddy, we want to know where you stay.
Oh, Justice, aren't you happy to see Daddy? Justice, come. Oh, Justice, come, Justice. Please, don't tell Auntie Mary I was here, okay? I sell in the street. I sell in the traffic. And I sleep at the railway station.
Daddy, is the place safe?
Well, I'm managing. We will be together soon, okay? Children, I must be going. It's getting late, okay? Mother, don't cry, mother. You take this, huh? Be good children, alright? As I said, please, don't tell Auntie Mary I was here, okay? Please, stop crying. Be good children, okay?
Children, the father is safe wherever he is. He'll soon come back.
But he was here when you went to town.
What?
He was here when you went to town.
Is that true? Mother, come back here. Is it true? Huh? Is it true that your father was here?
He told us not to tell you, but he stayed at the railway station.
Railway station? Oh my God.
What have I done to deserve this? Tell me, where did I go wrong? Was I blind? Or is it a crime for loving you? No matter how I try, your quest for more remains the same. Like a desert that's never water. Don't go, HIPIK. She will reject you. A man's word is like a...
Yeah. I'm okay. I'm just having fun. What about you? I thought as much. Yeah. What about the laces I told you about? I want that one. I think I want that one. And the white gold and yellow gold, please don't forget. Okay. Okay, no problem. About the business, let's just conclude it, okay? Tomorrow. No, I don't want the money in cash. I want it in check. Yeah. I mean, $100,000 would be too bulky for me to carry about. Moreover, it's very, very risky. Yeah, I want it in check. Or maybe you pay it into my account. Okay. That would be nice. Tomorrow then. Okay. Take care. Of course, we'll keep on doing business. Okay. Choose. Bye.
Thank you.
Hey, where's Auntie Mel?
She are going to see a friend.
Hey, Melody.
Hi, Mr. James. Mr. James, why didn't you tell me the truth? Anyway, the children have told me everything. Please, instead of the railway, why don't you come and stay with us here?
Please, Perry, I've already...
I'm not complaining.
I'll think about it.
You don't need to think about it. You need the children as much as they need you. Please.
Daddy, please.
Please. Let me get you a cup of tea and some bread.
Mother,
changing you. What is this wind that blows? My only crime is I care for you, cherish and love.
So you like it, right?
Wow!
Yeah. This house is beautiful. Thank you. Well, you know me, Paula. You know me. You know I like space and my freedom, and I like it because you like it.
Mercy, who doesn't like good things, my dear?
Who don't?
Oh my God. I can't believe it. You've tried, Mercy.
Yeah, thank you. But this is just a place of By the time I return from my trip to London, you know, I have to make some things around, you know?
Without your love, my whole world will fall apart. Son, go. I love you so. Tell me this is only just a dream. I can't live without your love. My whole world will fall apart.
Be careful, huh?
Yes, Auntie.
Bye-bye.
Is this wind that blows?
How are they doing? Fine. These children are wonderful. How fast they are learning the low life. It's unbelievable.
Well, there is nothing they can do. They are good children.
Of course.
You will always know them when you see them. That
true.
was how I noticed it that day at the corner of our market.
So, rice, long grain, rice, 2,005, 2,005.
What have I done to deserve this? Tell me, where did I go wrong? Was I blind? Is it
You like the two anywhere I'm going to follow me. Anywhere I'm going to follow me. You so see the side cassette. Charlie. Oh, stop that. I will slap you. I will slap you.
I've got something this one. Case of vengeance. This is Nigerian one, and this one is this one is that day part 2. It will keep all the kids at home. It will keep all of them at home. This mama for just 15,000 cedis. Just that it will keep all the kids at home.
Mr. HIPIK. Is this your new line of business? Eh? How much is it? Bring it, let me buy. I want to buy now. How much? I'll buy everything. Let me have now. I want to buy from you, eh?
Mr. HIPIK.
Days alone and nights gonna come to my rescue. I turn the Lord, they all will fall. like this for so long.
I think
no money, no freight. Mr.
Mess.
That's the way they want.
Calling me Mr.
Like those who've been before.
Calling me Mr.
Change.
Let people like Mercy inhabit the earth.
What have I done to deserve this? Tell me, where did I go wrong? Was I blind?
Mercy.
Is it a crime?
Calling me Mr. HIPIK.
Mr. How I try. Your quest for more remains the same. Like a desert. It's never don't go.
I think I will end it. I must end it. Mercy.
When his pocket is empty, Mr. That's the way she wanted to be. She's been waiting for so long for this opportunity. Don't go, hippie. She will reject you. When his pocket is empty, Mr. Your relations neglect. So close for safety. Travels all around you. You can tell the night from your day. Oh, lonely days and lonely nights gonna come to my rescue. I turn low, they all don't go, hippie. The world will reject you. It's been like this for so long. No money, no freight. Mr. Hippie, 'cause that's the way you There's no change in this world.
So you are here? Okay. Listen, woman. My children have sent me money. And I'm entitled to renovate my house right now. And I want you to leave. Leave!
Landlord, you know I have little children staying with me. Please give me some time to pack out.
Some time? 2 weeks. 2 weeks and nothing more.
She will not enter this room. She will not enter this. Mary will not enter here. I disagree with Mary coming here with those children. Eh? They are not her children. When my husband died, I sent Seth back to his family. I did not bring him here. So I will not allow them to stay here.
Sister, if you asked Seth to go away, you did it with reasons best known to you alone. I can't ask these little children to go away. I promised their father before he died that I'll take care of them.
Mama, did you hear that? A promise made to the dead. Even promises made to the living are broken. How much less a promise made to the dead? That man was not your husband, was he?
Martha, there's no need to worry. You are not going to feed them, are you?
But Mama, I'm not going to sit and feel unconcerned. What if anything happens to them? We'll be questioned.
Anything like what?
Anything!
Martha, you have no case here. You are just making a mountain out of a molehill. After all, they are not going to stay in your room.
They are not going to stay here either. They will not.
Come, Robert, go and get me the padlock on my table. Go!
Why are you doing this? Mama, go to your room. No, I will not. That's not you to do this. No, Mama. Why are you doing this?
You will not stay here. Go.
What do you want me to do with this little tree? You want me to say them? Why are you doing this?
Let them go back to their family.
You can't do that, Mata.
Mama, leave me alone.
You can't do that.
Leave me alone, Mama.
You can't do that.
Leave me alone. Leave me alone, Mama. Leave me.
You have to let the girl
Mama,
go. Sister, please.
No, they will not enter here.
Sister, please. I beg you.
No, I don't want.
Why?
They should go back to their family.
I beg you.
No.
Sister, why?
Mama, leave me alone. Leave me, Mama. Mama, no, leave them. No.
Sister, please.
No, they will not enter here.
Sister, please. I beg you.
No, I don't want.
Why?
They should go back to their family.
I beg you.
No.
That one.
Let me try it this time.
Please don't.
I think you are unfair to your husband.
Me, Paula,
Yes.
unfair to my husband.
Yes.
Look who is talking. Paula, when did you become a pastor? Tell me, when?
Mercy, I mean this. Let me say it. I mean, you should have left him a lifeline.
A what?
A lifeline.
A lifeline. Listen, I am the opposite of my name. On mercy.
Mercy?
Yeah. On mercy. Don't call me mercy.
On mercy?
Yeah. I am on mercy. So that is it.
Sister, why do you treat the children like this?
Whose children are we talking about here? Look, those children are not your children. Your hearts.
Why do you talk like this? Why are you so heartless?
Those children are the children of a man you call your husband. A man who couldn't even perform one single customary right on you.
Let me make this clear to you. The children are mine. I don't need anybody to tell me who they are. And they are not responsible for anything that occurs in this house.
Hey! Before you and your borrowed children came, there was no stealing here. Nothing like it.
Were you not here when your son Robert stole my money? Were you not?
My
Were you
son?
not here? Yes, your son Robert. He stole my money.
Mary! What's going on here? Why can't you leave your sister in peace? Mata!
Ask her. Ask her! We were living in peace until she and her borrowed children came here. There was no problem. You have to.
Amma, I can't understand why your two daughters don't tolerate each other.
Kofi, this is a worrisome development. They've been quarreling almost every day. I don't really know their bone of contention. These girls have been a relief to me. Robert does not do anything in this house. These girls have been doing everything. I don't know why Martha doesn't appreciate it.
Uncle, I never believed my mother could behave like this. Before Mary came home, who was doing all the chores? Now she has a choice and she feels Mary's borrowed children could be better.
Mother, make you no take sides. Which one you did? For where Mary did all these years? No be matter when don't they take good care of you long before she came back home. We no go fit rely on those kids, oh. They fit desert Mary anytime where they want.
Kofi, you see how they've twisted the whole issue? Mary, I think if you leave, it will give them peace. But my problem is where they should go.
Simple. Simple. Tell Mary to take those children back to their families. And I will live peacefully with her. I won't have any problem.
Uncle, you see how weird she is? I am not moving an inch. This is my family property. I have every right to live here with whomever I choose to.
Mary, I will advise you find another place so that harmony prevails.
Ma, I'm not moving.
Please.
No.
For my sake, do it.
I hope you wouldn't mind moving to a small room in my house.
Yes, let her move.
I'm not going.
You have to
You
go.
must
I won't go. I'm not moving. I'll move.
You must go.
Paula.
Yes, Mercy.
Are you sure this will work?
Mercy. We succeeded the last time. And you know how much you made. You made thrice the money you invested.
That's true. But it's just that you said you saw it on the internet. Look, $400,000. It's not a small money. Look, if anything happens to that money, I'm finished.
Mercy, think about it. If it works out the way the last one works out, it is going to be 3 times 400,000. That is 1.2. Oh my God, this is big time, Mercy.
Are you sure?
I am sure, Mercy. Trust me.
Okay. No problem. I know you're my friend. And I trust you and I believe you. Don't worry, tomorrow we'll go to the bank together, eh?
Okay, Mercy.
I can't wait.
Oh my God.
Oh my God. Where is Paula? Paula, where are you? God. She said she was going to find out why they have not remitted my money, even after the business has been taking place. Oh my God. I hope there's no problem. I hope nothing has happened. Paula!
Is this the woman?
Yes, officer. She's a financier.
What is it?
Woman, you are under arrest for the crime of drug peddling and sponsorship.
What?
You have the right to remain silent, or anything you say will be used in the law court against you.
Paula, what is this man talking about? What are you talking about? Me? A drug peddler? I'm sorry, you must be mistaken. I didn't sponsor any drugs. Paula, you know it. It was oil business I sponsored. I don't know anything about drugs. I don't know.
Is that so?
Yes.
Then permit me to search this house.
Oh, you're free.
Officer, search. Search everywhere, officer. Search.
Paula, what is all this?
Mercy, don't pretend. Don't pretend. Just tell the truth. Why? Tell the truth.
You're doing this to me now. I don't know anything about...
Search everywhere.
Why are you talking like this now?
Mercy, are you not going to tell the truth? Tell them now.
Oh God. Anything about drugs. But I don't... Oh my God. I just
Mercy,
hope
don't
this...
pretend. Tell the
Why are you
truth.
talking like this now?
I told you, officer. I told you. You see?
What is this? Cocaine. Woman, you are under arrest.
I told her we were coming.
You know, she's very eager to meet her future son-in-law.
I can't wait to finalize issues so that we go back together to Europe.
Sure?
Yes.
It's all depends on you, sweetheart. You know, my mother will never be a stumbling block between the two of us.
Really?
Yes.
Then let me wait and find out.
Sure. Let's get going.
Okay.
I love to sing deep into your eyes and tell you time again how much I care.
Fire, fire, sweet orange. Fire, sweet orange. Fire, sweet orange.
Excuse me.
Ah, 100 CDs for one. Do I know you?
Yes, Auntie Mercy. Don't you recognize me?
I'm sorry, I don't.
My name is Kate. I was your house help some 18 years ago.
Oh, Kate. How are you?
Not too bad.
Where do you live now?
At the end of this street.
Oh, that's nice. You're looking good.
Thank you. 2 weeks ago, I met Mother here. She said she was coming to visit you.
You met Mother?
Yes, Auntie Mercy.
She wants to see me.
Yes. They said they have bought a house for you here.
They said they bought a house for me?
Yes, Auntie Mercy. Auntie Mercy.
Yeah.
The last house down the street.
Where?
Last house.
Oh, that one?
Yes, Auntie Mercy.
Okay, yes. Yes. Do you want orange?
Yes. The one.
Thank you.
You are welcome.
Okay. I'll see you. Let me go, eh?
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Have a nice day.
Bye-bye.
I love you so. Tell me this is only just a dream.
Oh, Mary. It's really wonderful the way these children turned out. They're such wonderful and hard-working children. Oh. Mary, God really used you to bring their lives to fruition. Look at you. So you now own this beautiful house, a fleet of cars, and a lineup of supermarkets.
Sister, the glory and honor goes to God.
Amen.
I will bring the money you asked for. I will also come to the house to see Robert. He must start doing something immediately.
Songs of melody ring in my heart. Suddenly like you meet joy and strength to face each new day.
Thank you very much, my sister. Thank you.
That's okay. The past is gone.
Tell you time again how much I care. Oh, hold me close to you, don't never leave me. Our love will last for eternity. I will always love you.
Mother, thanks for your wonderful support.
Auntie, no problem. We are all one.
Mom. Yeah.
Yes?
Oh, Mom, you won't believe this.
What is it?
Guess who is here?
Is he around?
Yes, Mom. But, Mom, please, let me go get him for you. Please. You just relax.
Mother, you can see that she's really in love.
You don't know how it feels to fall in love.
Good afternoon.
Afternoon.
Good afternoon.
You're most welcome.
Thank you very much.
Seth?
Yes, it's me, and I'm in love.
That's all right. Please make yourself comfortable.
Thank you very much.
Seth.
Is that you?
It's me, Auntie Martha. I remember you, but I survived.
Hold it. Sister Martha. Yes. Is this a Seth who used to live with you?
Yes.
Now this house will be your own.
It's my own. I want to go in.
Hey! You the crazy?
This house belongs to me.
Come. What? I won't go tell my... Come on! This house will be your own. It's allowed. I'm not telling madam. Hey! Madam. Some nyama lady be. You understand? You get front. Huh? You don't talk plenty things we don't understand. Now you dey talk say this house be owned.
Who is that?
Come.
Excuse me.
It must be a mad woman. Please, Seth, you're welcome.
Thank you very much.
Make yourself comfortable.
Thank you.
You dey beat me.
Oh, so it is you. It is you. You barren woman.
Ma'am, who is this woman? I mean, who is she?
Justice, leave her alone.
Justice. Justice. Is that you? Justice, come. It's me, your mother. Your real mother. Maybe you don't recognize me. I'm your mother. Come to
You
Mama.
are my mother? I don't know you. She is my lovely mom, and I will always love her.
Everybody come on! Come and see this woman. She collected my kids. Oh! You have bewitched my kids. You have bewitched them. Why? Why did you do this to me? Why? Why did you eat up the whole babies in your womb and now you want to claim my kids? You want to... Shameless woman! Why don't you tell him the truth?
That's nonsense!
Tell him!
Who are you? You mad woman! Out from this gate!
I'm your
How dare you shout at my mom like that?
It's
out from this compound! Go out!
That woman is not your
move! Out from this place! Who are you? Go! Go!
What is it? How dare you push our mother? Huh? Who are you? Who are you?
Melody.
What is going on here, Justice?
Mother. Oh, thank God. God, you're wonderful. Baby, it's Mama. It's me, your real mother.
You? My mother? Melody, do you know this mad woman?
I don't know who she is.
Maybe Justice does not recognize me, but I know you two will. Please don't let this barren woman take it away from me. She's a witch.
What have I done to deserve this? Tell me, where did I go wrong? Was I blind? Or is it a crime for loving you? No matter how I try, your quest for more remains the same. Like a desert, there's never water. Don't go, HIPIK. She will reject you. A man's word is like a curse when his pocket is empty. Mr. HIPIK, 'cause that's the way she wanted to be. reject you. The man's world is like a curse when his pocket is empty. Mr. Hippie, is that the way she wanted to be? She's been waiting for so long for this opportunity. Your relations neglect you, friends so close forsake you, troubles all around you, and you can tell you're not from your day. Oh, lonely days and lonely nights gonna come to my rescue. I turn the low, they all with the wealthy. Don't go, hippie, the world will reject you. It's been like this for so long. No money, no freight, Mr. Hippie, 'cause that's the way they want it to be. Like those who've been before you, there's no change in this world. Don't go, hippie, the world will reject you. It's been like this for so long. No money, no friend, Mr. Hippie, 'cause that's the way they want